Hello friends, I'm Dr. Rahul. Today we'll discuss about functional medicine cooking. So talking about grilling, which is a common practice to cook food during the festive seasons. So what are the downsides of grilling? First is that grilling increases HCAs. HCAs is heterocyclic amines. And heterocyclic amines are a type of carcinogens which increases the risk of cancer and increase the risk of various cancers in the body. So it's increases HCAs, it increases the risk of carcinogens, and the more the meat is charred by grilling, the more is the production of HCAs in the meat. Next, moving to the safe grilling tips. What should be done to prevent the chances of increasing the risk of cancer? So first is cut meat into smaller portions. Once you do that, it would be taking smaller time to get cooked, and so there would be a shorter exposure to high temperatures and less chances and less amount of HCS would be developed in the meat. Second is choose leaner meat with less fat. So as the fat is grilled, it produces more flame and smoke, so which increases the amount of hydrocarbons in the meat that is cooked. So once you choose a leaner meat, the chances of increased production of HCAs will go down. Third is flip the meat frequently during grilling. So the flipping decreases the production of HCAs. Fourth is marinate for at least 30 minutes before grilling. This reduces the HCAs by creating the marination forms a barrier over the portion that needs to be cooked, so which creates a barrier and it decreases the production of HCAs. Then next is control the temperature to avoid high temperature cooking. The higher the temperature, the more chances of hydrocarbons to be formed. Lastly, select a hardwood. Hickory and maple burn at a lower temperature. So the cooking would be a controlled temperature cooking, which would avoid high temperature. And softwood like pine is will produce a higher temperature, so the cooking would be on a higher temperature. That's it. Thank you. So the solution is choose other safer cooking methods and indulge in more conscious cooking and eating. Thank you.